Here's an easy, beginner-friendly sublimation project. Sublimation onto a mug. First, with sublimation, keep in mind that you'll need a mug that's intended to be used for sublimation. You'll also need a mug press to transfer the sublimation transfer onto the mug. Next, print out your design or text onto sublimation paper with your sublimation printer. Note that you will need to mirror the design prior to printing. Then with the paper trimmer, it'll go quickly to trim the multiple designs apart, and then just take a few pieces of heat-resistant tape to tightly secure the sublimation transfer onto the mug surface. Then at your press, insert the mug into the press, close it, and press for 250 seconds at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then when it's done pressing, remove the mug from the press with a pot holder. The mug is going to be extremely hot. And then carefully remove the paper. And there you go. You get a lovely farmhouse style personalized mug. You're not going to see this exact mug anywhere else because you created it yourself with this farmhouse font. You can grab this exact font from So Fontsy in the farmhouse font bundle, and there's a link in the video description.